Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we've got a quick box opening of my watchgang Black membership watch for June. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my CCCP Sputnik. Man, I dig this thing. It doesn't get as much wrist time as it probably should because I actually really do like it, but I busted it out. I've been wearing it for probably the last 3 or 4 days. Before we get to the box opening, guys, also in the notes below, I've got promo codes and discounts for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And let's see what we got in the box. If you're not familiar with Watchgang, it is a monthly watch subscription company. They have multiple tier levels, and they have Wheel of Watches and just about everything you could imagine. Today, we're taking a look at watchgang Black, which is my $99 subscription. Honestly, it's the only subscription I've done with watchgang for a while is the black tier level. For the $99, I feel like I've gotten some pretty cool, unique pieces, and it's not a huge gamble. If I don't get something that I don't like, it's not the end of the world. Let's see what we got here. Instruction. I don't even know how to say that. Yeah, I don't know how you would pronounce that. Honestly, I've not heard of the company. I do like that kind of sandblasted case on this one already. I can tell you that much. Let's take a look at the bracelet. Oh, has a pretty nice bracelet. Let's see what we got on the back here. Sorry, hard to see through the camera lens sometimes, especially when it doesn't want to focus. So it looks like we got sapphire crystal, mecha quartz movement. I like that kind of dull gray case though. Has a nice little bit of texture to it. It's cool looking. A logoed crown. So I know, admittedly, and I've said it a bunch of times, I have not been doing very well at follow-ups, and I hope to change that. There definitely is a few pieces I've gotten from watchgang that I want to do follow-ups on. And I think what I'm going to do, if it's a piece that grabs me, I'll do a follow-up on it. If it's one that I think is just kind of meh, I probably won't do a follow-up on it. In all honesty, for me, most of the watches I've felt have been pretty much worth that $99 subscription. I know that's not everyone's opinion, but I've got a lot of cool pieces for that price. And, I have fun showing you guys what we got. So this is the model number on that one. And I dig this one. I actually think this will get some wrist time. And so it'll get sized, and maybe I'll actually do a follow-up review on this one. Like I said, there's a few that I want to do just because I actually thought they were pretty cool pieces. And I just need to get back in the habit of it. But box openings are the fun part, right? Should have pulled that off. Huh. And there's just kind of a quick look at it on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Looks like there's some room to size. Probably, I'm going to say 4 links for me. So there's a little bit of room if you got a little bit bigger wrist. I'm kind of digging this one. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.